everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Annie and this is Safaisha. So today in this video, I'll teach you about how do women think and how to understand women and how do they think and all about their perspectives. Will help you in your relationship, professional life, love life and friendship as well. There is a huge difference how women thinks and men thinks. बहुत ज़्यादा difference होता है एक woman की thinking में, एक man के thinking में. बहुत ज़्यादा straight forward रहते हैं men and we work according our intuition. Whatever our intuition says, हम वही करते हैं. Step number 1, loyalty, honesty, trust. ये बोलते हुए तो सुना ही होगा लड़कियों को कि हमें honest लड़के बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Women actually notice how you are behaving in front of her. कितने अच्छे आप किससे बात कर रहे हैं, उनके सामने आप किसको कैसे ट्रीट कर रहे हैं. You will notice how calm your personality is. But if you lie a lot and बहुत जल्दी आपको गुस्सा आ जाता है and you behave rudely with someone बहुत जल्दी, that will not be a good sign. Be a genuine person and kind to every single person. एक और एक secret बताती हूँ. Women basically love a man who enjoys around child and doggies. Be an honest person and be genuine. क्योंकि अगर आप फेक कर रहे हो and you are pretending I am this kind of person, you have this intuition कि हमें फेक कौन कर रहा है, कौन pretend कर रहा है to be someone like, हमें पहले ही पता होता है. So don't fake around and be a genuine person. बहुत honest, kind person रहो, she will definitely love you. So be a good person, kind person, genuinely जो सबके respect करता हो and अच्छा listener हो. This will definitely help in your love life and professional life. Tip number 2, balance ambitious character.
Women love ambitious guys who have big goals and big dreams to achieve. But at the same time, understand that woman doesn't like obsession. हर टाइम वर्क के बारे में बात करना या फिर अपनी ड्रीम से रिलेटेड बात करना. Always talking about your work, your time, your ambition, your goal will not be a good sign. So maintain a balance. Talk about travel, talk about fashion, talk about food, talk about adventure, talk about fitness. Woman loves a guy who manages professional life and a love life in a well manner. Third tip, sense of humor. Now this is a skill that every guy must have क्योंकि this is the skill जो आपकी सारी चीज़ों को काफ़ी आसान बना देता है. Whether you have to build a bond, whether you are in a professional world or you want to go for a date, if you can make her laugh, half of the things are done. Now ऐसा होता क्यों है? Why women love person whose sense of humor is? That is because जब हम हंसते हैं, there is a hormone called happiness hormone. वो slightly raise होता है. This person and this vibe is actually making me happy. So we kind of crave that more. Learn that skill. Fourth tip, decision making and first initiative. We all know women like confident man. But why is it so? क्योंकि ये indicate करता है कि if man is a confident, then उसने अपने self esteem, self doubt, self fear को tackle कर लिया and now he is a whole new person, whole better person and he must have worked on his whole personality which make it even attractive. So there is a difference between how woman thinks and a man thinks. For example, if man have taken some kind of task या फिर हमने ही उन्हें बोला है कि ये certain task आपको करना है and ये certain task आपको नहीं करना है, which means कि man will do these tasks and ये वाला जो मना किया गया है वो नहीं करेंगे, as direct as it is. But in our case, in woman case, woman works on intuition. If she want to tell you something, she will indicate, not directly speak about it, but she will indicate. She will not be direct, she will not express, but indicate you what exactly she wants. Meanwhile, you have to guess and think what she exactly wants or what she is talking about. For example, let's take in a case. If she is confused between where to go or what to eat, here you go. You have to help her out in these cases. You need to make that decision. If you see anything which is troubling her, help her out. Fix that issue. But at the same time, ये भी ध्यान रखो कि men's play बिल्कुल नहीं करना है. So be a balanced person. Tip number 5, kindness and enthusiastic. Now there will be times जहाँ पे if you get in a relationship, there will be times जहाँ पे your perspective and the lady perspective will not match. which will cause a thoda sa disruption. So there you have to be kind and open-minded. So be a open person and accept new perspective. Be ready to accept the new perspective and maybe try to change your mind a little bit. For example, if you do not like going to the historic places and she likes to go to the historic places, you still take that extra step and you do that for her. Trust me, she will love that. Tip number 6, learn cooking. Yes, you heard me right. Man who knows how to cook actually knows the concept of care, kindness. They have feminine energy, which make it even greater, even gentleman person. This is something which women secretly find attractive. And moreover, this skills is actually good for your in a personal life. There is hundreds of videos. If you want to learn how to cook, you can directly search on the Google and search on the YouTube. You'll find hundreds of recipe. You can learn from there. These are all the points that I wanted to cover in this video. But moreover, if you want to really understand women, listen, understand, and then speak. These 3 words will play wonders in your life. If you really want to understand women, patiently listen, try to understand, and be at their place. You will surely understand. And also, moreover, all these points, you need to respect women. जब तक you don't have this nature to respect women, फिर तो ये points बिल्कुल काम नहीं आने वाले हैं. You have to learn respect women, and ये अंदर से आना चाहिए. That's when you become the gentleman, genuine person, honest person. So be that person, and women will love you. That's it for this video. I really hope you like this video. If you do, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye. लव यू ऑल. ऑल्सो मुझे बताइए आपको इस वीडियो में एग्जैक्टली क्या पसंद आया, एंड प्लीज़ लेट मी नो और कौन से ऐसे टॉपिक्स हो सकते हैं जिसके ऊपर मैं वीडियो बना. एंड प्लीज़ लेट मी नो व्हाट यू थिंक अबाउट दिस वीडियो. आई वुड लव टू नो, एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल इफ यू हैवंट येट. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. लव यू ऑल.